Hello, once again, welcome to my channel. I'm delighted to have you once again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily protect your Excel file from unauthorized access. You may have your Excel, let's say your Excel workbook containing some important files, okay, customized information that you don't want people to be able to access the information on it. So we like to put a password on it. You need to protect it, and then people cannot access it. So once you open it, you will not even be able to see the content of this particular file. Okay, so we are going to do that in this tutorial. So stay tuned and watch how I'm going to do it. So this is a document in which I've just launched. I've opened this document and realized that I can't see anything. Everything has been faded off or deactivated. Before I can have access to this, I first need to enter a password. So if I type in my password and I click OK, I'll be able to see the content of this document. There are several ways in which you can add a password or protect your Excel workbook, or let's say your Excel file, from unauthorized access. You can protect this individual cells but with this particular one, let's say somebody wants to edit, the person can not edit that. If you use to do this option, for instance, you can go to review, and then we can go to protect what worksheet, and then we can just fix in a password. I can even ignore the password, and this time around, so if I select a range, let's say if I select this place and I go to okay, let me unprotect and I protect once again. If I click OK, anytime I try doing any editing over here, you realize that the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected worksheet. Okay, it's on a protected sheet. So you can use this option to actually protect your worksheet. Okay, you can even set a password to this. Okay, if you click on this, you can set a password and you can unlock that. But anyone who is having experience with Excel can easily come here and then unlock it if you don't have a password on it. But I don't think this is the best to do. This is not all that secured. So I'm going to show you the right method in which you can prevent people from at least seeing the content of this. Before I do that, I've already set a password protect on this. So I'm going to remove this. So at least you can use this opportunity to learn how to remove protected workbook. Okay, remember to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to get updates anytime we upload a new content. Remember to watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you at the end of this video how to remove the password, assuming you've forgotten your password. So if you've forgotten your password, I'm going to show you how to remove that password at the end of this video. So remember to watch the end in order to, or that surprise I have for you. So I have that surprise for you at the end of this video. So let's remove this password protected and see how we can actually protect this entire workbook. So I'll go to file and then go to info. So realize that if you come down here, the name of my file is nested if. So you see protected workbook. So in order for me to remove this, I'll click down here and then go to what? Encrypt password. So the password I said is just 4-digit password. So I just have to empty it. So this is a bit technical. There is nowhere on your worksheet that you go and you see remove password. This is the only option that you can use. So you can just go and then clear the password that you entered over. Just click OK, update your content. You can save this, and then the next moment I go and then try opening this file from my desktop, it will not require any password again. So basically, this is how to remove that particular or remove the password protected document. Okay, so I've been able to do that and everything is working well. So we are going to use that same method now to set our password. So once you open that document, you will not see anything. Everything will be faded off. Until you enter a password, you will not be able to see the content of this. So like I said, this may be important files that you don't want anyone to have access to. So you need to protect it with a password. So let's go through the process and then encrypt this now with a password. So let's jump right there. So we go back to file, at info, then we under protect workbook, we just click and then go to what? Encrypt with password. Just click on that and then it will ask you to enter a password. I'm just going to set 4-digit password 1234 1234 as my password. I'll click OK. It will request for confirmation. Just enter the same password 1234 again. That is my password. Remember, look at this. It's a caution. If you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of password and their corresponding document names in a safe place. Okay, But it's possible you may lose this password, and at the end of this video I will show you how to recover that in case you've misplaced that password. So I'll just click OK, and then right now you can see that this particular worksheet or workbook, sorry, this entire workbook has been protected. So you just have to go update your content, and this time if I close this document, I try opening it again, I can't have access until I enter my password. So this is a very nice way in which you can secure your document from unauthorized access. So you see, I can't see anything until maybe I enter the right password, and then there we go. Okay, so I'll close this and open again. If I enter the wrong password, I will not be able to have access to the content of this file. Okay, so if I enter anything which is not the right password, see, the password you supplied is not correct, so I will not be able to have access to this content. See, I'm just having a blank document. But if I go back to my file, go to file, and I try to open it and I enter in the right password, it's actually going to open, and then I can have the content of that document. Okay, so basically this is how to go through the process, and that is it. But I promise you that at the end of this video I'm going to show you how to even recover your password, assuming you've forgotten it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to close this, and then there's this website we're going to go to. So we have to come to this website. We have the free trial, and then you can buy and then get a premium access as well. So you have the pass file. So you come to this website actually. So you go to this website, and then you can download the free trial or you buy it. Basically, this is going to work for the paid version. I'm actually going to create a comprehensive video on how to remove this, but I just want to give you a fair knowledge or idea that this actually can be removed. Okay, I've actually downloaded this already. I downloaded the trial version, but before you see the password, basically you need to buy this. Okay, so I'm going to open it. I've installed it. I've downloaded the trial version. I've installed it on my desktop. So I'm actually going to open this. So this is the setup here. I'll open the setup. And once I open the setup, we have two options down here: recover Excel open password and remove Excel restriction password. Okay, so you can see what is over here. If you open a document at all, okay, so let's try and see how we can recover that password. Remember that I set 4-digit password. So if I click over here, I can add that files and then try and then remove or get my password, recover my password. So I'll just click on add and then select that file. This is the file from my desktop, and then the first option over here say dictionary attack. Quickly find the password from inbuilt and custom dictionary. So I just click on recover, and it's going to recover this. But because I'm using the trial version, it's not going to give me the password. I'll see the password alright, but it will be in an asterisk form. So you can see my password right here. Okay, the 4-digit password I set is actually showing over here. So assuming I've purchased the premium version, I'll see my password, the 123. It will expose this password for me to see. So if you go to buy option, it will give you the option. As at the time I'm recording this video, this is the price for a month's license. We have 1-year license and lifetime license. So if you are somebody, it's a document that you desperately need to recover the password, you can at least buy 1 month subscription, and then you can actually get your password. It's going to work perfectly for you. So this is how to actually recover your password. This software, to be frank with you, is actually going to help you recover that password. So once that is done, you get your password to give you the main password. You can see your password, just copy it, and then you can unlock your documents. Okay, so this is basically how to. So I'm going to enter my password, go to the content. Remember, you can also make your document just read only. Read only means that the person can read the document but cannot do changes to it. So you go to the file option, and then you go to the same process. See the first option, allow open, always open, read only, so prevent accidental changes. So we use this option to actually prevent people from doing changes to the document, so they can see, read everything, but they can't do any change to it. So basically this is how to set password protect, or how to password protect your Excel workbook from unauthorized access. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to get update anytime we upload a new content. till I come your way another time. Stay safe. Remember to hit the like button. Bye bye.